po.
Mga akalaw na meron din tayo sa yan po yung sa tarantula. Bali sa tarantula po, hindi po siya totally insect, siya po siyang Arab. Petro, it's moving. Petro, it's moving.
Let's go.
Ito naman po yung cervix po. Yan po yung mga pumapasok sa tenga.
Wait lang, what
Hmm.
does spiders do?
Po.
What does spiders do?
Ano pangalan niya? Earwig, sir. Labidadura.
Pumapasok daw yan sa ears, ano?
Hindi ko alam yung Tagalog.
Are you just puro English? Are you just English?
Ito, your favorite. Ano yan? What kind of insect is that? You cannot see because it's camouflage, di ba?
It is.
What's that? Anong insect na yan? Di ba alam mo yan?
Big insect.
Yes! Malaki kasi, kaya di mo makita masyado.
The walking stick is like a electric one. Yun lang, it looks like it's connected.
Go.
Yes, hindi na stick niya kasi siya eh.
I see the next animal.
Ano yan? Praying mantis?
No?
Ano yan?
Ipis, kadiri.
Ito yung cockroach po. Bali yung cockroach po. Kasabayan po na buhay ng mga dinosaurs.
Ha?
Yung mundo ngayon po nag-exist po. Then kaya din po nila mabuhay ng 2 to 3 days without heads po. Then kaya din po nila mabuhay ng 3 to 6 months without foods and drinks po.
And
Talaga?
even though cockroaches even have free house and the back.
Yes?
You know what means?
Ano yan? Ito, maingay. Pinaka-light span po niyan.
Ano?
Pinaka-light span po niyan. Umabot po ng 20 to 25 days. Then everything lang po nangyayari.
Ang lights?
Yes.
Kuya Carl, do you know
Mama.
a ladybug is a insect?
Oh, speaking of,
And do you know a ladybug eats little pets that's actually a do you know what the
anak mo
pet
maraming alam.
that it eats actually eat on fruits?
Yeah.
If that and then it will eat the pets that actually are insects.
Nitro. Let kuya nga kasi, ano, for the, ano to?
Bumblebee.
Okay. It's a bee.
Yes, there's a bumblebee.
Picture ka ba dyan sa bumblebee na?
No bee. Where? Oh, there. That eye. Oh, look. There was that movie. Where's that movie?